isa cia Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Nikwatia muthenya waku wakwa ile na wako endesia omonde twitikuye mwezi wa 11 mwaka ni wa 2024 nitho chande ni wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo ndoni wa saa 3:30 nita wa Faith Nthenya na nikwetia Mauvoo ni na kesha rondinda kwanzia ya meko ende tombo kwata amala tukumbanisye kwanzia ya ukuve
ala tukumbanisye ni vamwe na
Profesa Kithure Kindiki kwethwa kithito kutwika munini wa Musumbi mweu. Musumbi Ruto kukulia Kindiki amutetheesya wiameanisya mawathomo kwa mwene nthi. Mawoni ma mwene nthi Kindiki alika ofisini ta munini mweu wa Musumbi. Akamba kukulwa matete kithio kwiyukilia kiukwati.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Naindi tuyambelelia Mauvoo ni kana munini mweu wa Musumbi Profesa Kithure Kindiki na ula waithwa kithito chawe ya omonde na kutwika munini wa Musumbi wa kele ntheni wa usumbi wa William Ruto itino wa Rigathi Gachagua kuvetango mwanya ni usuntheni wa uneni wake wa mbeve ni watha na kuthukuma kwa vakuvi na Musumbi kwa nthi ya Kenya ndisonga na mbe ingi ntheni wa uneni wake ni weya vakanano kwa tia meo yonthe ya uthukumila ya tia wana kuthukuma engwatanio na atongoi alangi silikalini kwithwa kwake kwa kithito kuoka etina wa koti kunenga silikale uthei wa utwa ise chathiki kwi muthenyani wa iyo. Dan Mwongela ena ili voti mbeange.
I Kithure Kindiki
ni muthenya ulokalikana wanenzia wa kuthila ingi vanthi ya Kenya Kithure Kindiki na twika munini wa Musumbi wa katatu ungu wakati bakangilile ne 10 na wakele ungu wa usumbi wake Dr. William Ruto.
in the said office
to the best of my judgment.
Yathini ki cha kwithwa kithitu Kithure Kindiki ni wonya uneni wake itino wa kwithwa kithitu ta munini wa Musumbi na ukumbao vala wathana thukuma kwa vakuvi na Dr. William Ruto kwa kuatia matambi make vate kweleluka.
Words fail me to explain how grateful I am today. I have come to believe that Kenya is the country of possibility. Your Excellency, for a person such as I to stand here today and take oath of the office of the Deputy President, it can only happen in Kenya. But because Kenya is the land and the homeland of possibilities, today, I, perhaps the most unlikely person, is standing here today because Kenya has made it possible for anybody to become anything in this country.
Inki muninio wa Musumbi ni wathana kumolela muio wa utongoi wa nthi ya Kenya Musumbi Dr. William Ruto ingi na muweta tawithitwe mwalimu na angelekani nzio maunduni mauteti kwa mbe wa miaka miongo eliyu.
I am grateful to you, sir, for the honor you have given me to serve under you. Your Excellency, I've been your political student for nearly 20 years now, and nothing in the political space has helped me to pick up lessons more than the years that I have worked and served around you in various capacities. I want to commit to you before this congregation and before the Almighty God who is acknowledged in the Constitution, that I will serve under you and provide you with the assistance and support you require to take this country to the next level. I commit I will be loyal and faithful. I will try the best of my ability to work hard together with the other colleagues to lighten the burden that you carry on your shoulders, Your Excellency.
Kwitho kwa kithitu kwa Kithure Kindiki kuoka ivindani la ikwani ile na thakitwe mbe wa koti ni mawakili Rigathi Gachagua inaseletie seso hii na utukune wa kuamukia umuthi koti ya veta mwamuluru na siito kwitho kithitu mivango ya twaiwa ya kuvanga chathiki cha umuthi. Kithure Kindiki ndoneka kutunga muvia undu wa mawalanyo ala mekiwe makwa ile chathiki.
For Your Excellency, I'm grateful for the honor which you have given me. I promise you before this congregation and before God that I will not let you down for the privilege you have given me. Your Excellency, sir, in the same breath of gratitude, I am grateful to all the institutions who have facilitated this process, including the ceremony we are having today. And I want to agree with what my elder brother, His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, has said. Whatever has happened in the last few weeks, and indeed in the recent past, is a testament of the maturity of our democracy and is a testament that our institutions work.
Kithure Kindiki edukuma mwanani wa munini wa Musumbi thini wa miaka ileti alete utongoini wa Musumbi Dr. William Ruto metele kuona utu wa NND mwaka nuosa kwa ni wangilile na miongweli na muonza.
Thank you.
Daniela Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kuma kauntini ya Masako.
Nimuvea muno Daniel Mwongela nundu wa utuvingo ya Vilingi na tuisonga na mbeni kana President William Ruto ni wakulia munini wa Musumbi ula waithwa kithito cha kwambia wia umuthi Professor Kithure Kindiki amutethesie kwanisya mawatho make kwa Kenya na kuthandasya agenda ya nthi ya Kenya. Mauvoo alamone katama kuthimba munini wake ula una nguthulo kuma kivilani Rigathi Gachagua. Ruto ni wase wake nthini wa ofisi wa President we mwau ivindani ya miaka ile. Ruto ni wakulia atongoi onthe mathukume mwene nthi vate kuvathula mbai kana kikundio na kimwe kwa wiananu ula wa ile. Onesmus Chalo ena Mauvoo mbeange.
Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki savali yake kumbapelekanithi vawitinani yeto district ya Meru yesilile Lenana School na itina imanisioni kautasyayo lukusome uwakili wala mwana wake uthukumini uwe umilile nesa kavindani ke
President William Ruto na nthini wa chathi cha kumwithia kithito munini wake mweo Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni wa mukuli amutethesie kuyanisya mawatho make kwi NTHENYA ma Kenya alawa mathia vindani ya uteti wala wetakana kwa ilungu ya miaka ilila withitwa tongo-ini kumoso tongo wa nthi ii ethitwa inena maendeleo ma serikali yake eweka haki kionekane kuvuthisya utongo wa ulona munini wake Rigathi Gachagua vala Ruto amukulia Kithure Kindiki amutethesie kiuthukumi.
My dear Professor Kindiki, I need your voice. I need your intellect to help me and to help members of our cabinet to profile the things we are doing, to speak to the things that we are doing. I have almost become a lonely voice in the executive, especially in the presidency, speaking about our projects, speaking about our programs, elaborating on what we are doing. You are eloquent, my brother. You are intelligent, my brother. I am confident that you will do that which I have missed for the last 2 years. I know you will.
Ingenwa mwenda munini wake mwathukumenthi ya Kenya tena chiendikana kweke angaliko anaimwe kwine nake misingi ya Kembai.
I am delighted to affirm that our coalition and indeed our nation is blessed with many professionals who meet all these criteria. Among them, Abraham Kithure Kindiki stands out for his exceptional qualifications, extensive experience, and wide-ranging accomplishments. I am honored that he is available. He has told me he is ready, and I know he is willing to serve as my deputy.
Ruto no mukathia Kindiki weteta mundu umwisi nesana ena kisomo cha kwienena otwika thini wa mundu motongoi ola wetekana yu ena mwikio na ofisi umwe wa vikiana kukwata munini wa musumbi na nukuthukuma undu vailite.
Over the past 2 decades, I have had the privilege to witness Professor Kindiki's work as a professor, litigation lawyer, consulting attorney, senator representing Tharaka Nithi, majority leader of the Senate, deputy speaker of the Senate, the most recently as cabinet secretary. I can confirm that in all these roles, he has demonstrated exceptional dedication, high competence and professionalism, and consistently delivered results beyond expectations. Professor Kindiki is a highly qualified and outstanding scholar, advocate and public servant, whose career has been defined by exemplary achievements which demonstrate his vision for positive change and commitment to high standards of efficiency in the performance of his duties.
Kithure Kindiki nwa munini wa musumbi wa katatu vanthi ya Kenya na ena kianda cha kwithwa nthini wa siekalo cia serikali kumutetheesya musumbi kuvanga mivango ya serikali vumwe kutumwa ni musumbi kula musumbi utatonya kuvika. Delivote Vilingi Mauvoo Mutongoi TV Onesmus Chalo.
Mauvoo ni asuma kwa thete Kithure Kindiki, Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki na ukuu wa miaka 502 ni weyu munini wa katatu wa president na wakele ungua serikali wa Kenya Kwanza. Savali yake ya kiuteti ya mbeye mwaka wa 2013 ta seneta wa Tharaka Nithi itina wa miaka kauta yake masomo mawakili. Kindiki nthini wa matambia make ondhema kiuteti ya theto vakuve mwanana President William Ruto mavindani momo na mautani na kwa vakuve miaka 200 oyu. Benjamin Mwaka ena ili voti mbeange.
Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki savali yake kumba Tharaka Nithi vawitinani iyetwa district ya Meru yesilile Lenana School na itina imanisioni kautasiayo lukusomea uwakili bala mwana wake uthukuminu uwe umilie nesa kavindani ke kwani ya sieko sia uwani kotini unene wa nthio wa ICC kwambia mwakano wa 2010 ivindani wakili wa Dr. William Ruto ivindani yu munini wa president.
It is very, very dangerous to politicize justice, where the justice and the legal system is used to play politics. And that is why we are saying we feel there are certain rights which the Honorable Ruto is entitled to under the Rome Statute.
Kindiki honuyo vondeni wanvani wa mwaka wa 2013 ungua katiba impya na wanyuviweta senator wambe wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi vula watu ekithiwe ndongo yala inge nthini wa senate na itina nyuva ingi kwa tamu wake lunivani wa mwaka wa 2011 na kwamba tuandeve ngina mundini wa speaker nthini wa mbunge ya senate na kumanwa na iwathukanyo siake utongoi katatu wa president unathio mwewe ya Uhuru Kenyatta na mundini wake Dr. William Ruto evindani liu tamuni wa usumbe nthini wa serikali ya Jubilee. Kindiki vamwe na anyanya angima vakuve Maruto mbunge nesielini mavenue miana iyo ya utongoi.
They wrongly diagonized that I could be manipulated, cajoled, or even threatened to join them in what, in my view, is a treasonable project of destroying our beloved country.
Uteti unavitie kula nene siya mwaka wa 2022 Kindiki ndao kitia mwana ona umwaki uteti ati wa listini ya muthia ndweli halame kwa jaiwa kunyuwa ni President William Ruto kutuika munini wake wana uivindani yu muvalukila hola munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua na kutia Kindiki atena wekwa ateo kuikwache serikali ya Kenya Kwanza esinde usumbi.
My colleagues, I am truly grateful, and I know, God willing, we will have an opportunity for me to make it up to you one day, and that day shall not be too far away.
Ni itina wa President William Ruto kusinda usumbi vala Profesa Kindiki wolo tule kutuika minister sasa iwandini mwana ulo na udhukumie savali ile itina wanzama minister kuvunzwa na serikali mpya broad-based kusevwa. Edhiru mustali nuambe kukutana inyendile na imamai pamwana iutanisia maandamano ma ulei undumwe na alama oyumetuki mamwenu wa dhandatu mamwiko wa jenzi alama atele milie serikali uviki ya mutatala mutia wake na ndoa mwaka wangili na miongweli na ina wekwethegani president.
We have seen people pretending to be protesters damaging road infrastructure and other amenities built by the taxes and the sweat of the people of Kenya. I dare you to try that.
Ndani kumanwa na ivathukanyosia President William Ruto na ulei munini wa kele Rigathi Gachagua vala mutatala wa kumungutula Gachagua kuma otongo ini unavitukithiwe ni mbunge sieli. President imolota kuisla mbunge Professor Abraham Kindiki kuchwika munini mwa wa President na itina wasiumu ile sio sili mbatukanuni siya koti kuyo. Kochu haulu nengani odhei Kindiki avithwe nokana kuosa otongoi. Vala kwe umunde wachweka munini wa katatu uvisini uwa munini wa President na munini wa kelo wa President ungua serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na kuenea savali ya miaka mingi, yani savali ya vindasa ya unyanyo wake na muneno wake Dr. William Ruto.
Over the past 2 decades, I have had the privilege to witness Professor Kindiki's work as a professor, litigation lawyer, consulting attorney, senator representing Tharaka Nithi, Majority Leader of the Senate, Deputy Speaker of the Senate, the most recently as Cabinet Secretary. I can confirm that in all these roles, he has demonstrated exceptional dedication, high competence and professionalism, and consistently delivered results beyond expectations.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumavaa musini lovi nyanita wa Benjamin na Mwakam.
Kindiki ni sawa. Kindiki alikuwa Minister of Defense, Interior Minister. Akamtoa kwa ile minister alikuwa, akamleta kuwa mdogo wake. Na nasema hivi, tuko na akili. Pete ya Gachagua, ile pete ilikuwa imetengenezwa. Ndio haikuingia kidole ya Gachagua. Imeingia kidole ya Kindiki. Je, Kindiki utatuhudumia sisi wa Kenya kama wa Kenya? Ndoa yako na rais itatumtumikia? Ulisema we ni hustler. Na kama we ni hustler, kwa nini uangalie hawa vijana wandogo wako na elimu?
So long as Kindiki ni wami na kusakua. Na odo huku imundu idhae museo kute ulaungi. Tuyase Kindiki ni museo na Gachagua anaimudu. Na ndoasuo onde no the same na sime ivelani. No ndo omwe kuimundu kuseo kute ulongi. Lakini nundu ni wami na kuatishwa umundi atuthukume. Na wono maimu sakua ya maanisha ayuma mimi sini lo nai ni masise mona we no udonya ko wiki ta Kenya siyo kuja siyo boyo mugo ati kula lengela no kutukuma athukuma ya Kenya nesa
itona ni wabishwa na eti kila to kututhukuma igita Kenya kila kiboti to na kutabia Mr President yetha Kindiki ni wete kila nasi no kuthukuma Kenya ate ubathukania mbai kila mbai yathukumite atho ate usakua asie ana kalejini ani yakuthu ana kamba atuthukume kuyana nondu wasakua na kila kingi ndo nakwasia ithita Kenya tiine musakua siligale yo musakuye na ile etwetisie mawoni ikatukulia kana ni mwitha mwiyane teyosa Kindiki tikalea kana tiketekela
baiya kineke kaba kotini ko twetekela kiiliu kiilie njo twetekela lakini Kachagwa aimanda aki kotini kiu njo twenda rakamba nondo netwese Kachagwa murengo nola wi Kalonzo na mwaka wa 2027 together tuimbo nindi tekena prose kibila kinene cho sumbe ko we wish Kachagwa well.
We are in a country where we don't have justice, and if there is justice, then we are not sure of it, because the other time we had a CJ crying for justice, the ones who are supposed to spearhead the attainance of justice. That regarding Gachagua must get his justice. If he doesn't get his justice, then I'm very sure even the people of Kenya, next time they may, the next time that they may even need some justice, I believe they are not going to get their justice.
Yeah, story ya Kindiki ndio umesupport mno. Ende yalike kivilani. Aso wanaiji. Na ima na to yanainchi take.
Ndola munege kumya Gachagua. Wenda na inodhoku lakini nengwaze kana Kindiki wuli kile uyu atu ai serikali nambe tane mkaji wa mwingi yune ndonya kwaze kana Kindiki no godhi kuunga Ruto kwoko na edu tete tatu ana inchi ethani nimbe ya mutu kana muta meli to there
story eno ya Kindiki ndio me support niki ni kwithia kana akitie kwoza position yete yake na nondu bandu bani bakuonekana tana ta pena kindu masobetie na mwana okwetwa Ruto na baadaye tonyolika bandu thinani ene nyendonya kwachakana ona watu kana kwoza kibila kiu Kindiki nyendi kuona tabe utongironya kwendea kono ukani ona ukani ona watu kana ukiosa ona ile no deal musobisie indi manyakana itina pena kweya
Oto ndilo wawetakana niwe yombani tuwebu kuma Kenya tuenda kuona matokeo mawe wake tuenda kuona hiki abiti abu kumanuma Kenya economy tuenda kuona yebenduka na tuenda kuona ubenduku katika nchi ya Kenya kero ndilo tuenda kuona ubenduku mbe waundu kuilie tuna ule deputy president ungeumi kibila umizu kibila ne kuma mikate Gachagua na Ruto malika for example wakuitu kambani baiki tuko na chako atakana tuna la tuna mwende kwa kalona mo kitendo kwa kiwane mwa bosi wito Kalonzo abosioka nikenda nzi ya Kenya.
Na inde mwendo musiaisi ya Mauvoo asumami na kuivetanga kisevene nimo itina wa Profesa Kithure Kindiki kwa vithwa omondeni tuane na nyana ene kuiwa mawoni mo yolo wa utongo imwe wa Kindiki na muthia wa Rigathi Gachagua mwanyane o wa munini wa musumbe na undu mwafikia kwigwa nimo me mawoni mo na inde mwendo musiaisi ya oyitu amba kusemba othio mwoni mukuve nitosiokethete
Musese witu mwendwa Mutongo TV ni avwila ukambani na yakwata nzeve ya luma na watu mevusa ye kufikia mamilioni ma andu alama tosia isi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasa vya vyasala waku kana kumanithia alama evasa ila mwendo waku watutia kwisila imanithia sia iku kwa Mauvoo yange tufikia kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile imwe na itatu mwonza kana ututume email kwisila sales@mutongotv.co.ke. Mutongo TV ni yongwatanio ya mukamba tukwatane twaile vyasala situ.
Kila wachumwa siaungamasa umwe wa kioko thini wa kilungu cha twathimwe
ni uboya shitwa ni ya Yesu Kristo pamwe na itau pamwe na maumishi maana mwenu na etwa mwenyu na ashia imaku undo na vea shimame na ashia na imwe ni uboya yova ngai au komboe na kimena jamushi
vala elikana atatu umombanite isiotwani ya ngai nake evo
hautangie na kiujamushi hautangie na kimudia jamushi
tukwate chao ya chavevo vamwe va Mutongo TV tuikuete utavanya wa Bishop Lazarus Musyoka ula utongoesie kanisa wa ATG ula withia wa thini wa hall ya KFA ila yiva kuvi na Huduma Center na isianitie na vengi wa Equity ATG Machakos where divinity meets humanity.
Ni kalivu niende na kumanyithia na tuisonga na mbele kana mbai ya mukambani ya kulu ya kutetea kithio na kukitumia kenda kuyukilia kiukwati ukulio uwa umwe ni Minister Muvyani wa utandithia na sithio kauntini ya Makueni Sonia Nzelani kavindani kala wambe ya masinda na mambathi kieleloni cha kukilia kithio na ingi kuthungulula alame wakilisha kaunti ya Makueni nthini wa masinda na mambathi Kenya yonthe alama kethi wa kauntini ya Taita Taveta Caleb Chalo ena ilvoti mbeange
Ainena kavindani ka chathiki na kila chatawiwe sangio ni ambumbanio ya Green Park va musini wa wote Sonia elesakana kuye maundu amwe meka wanthini wa kithio cha mukamba na kila mbai tono tumia kukilio kwati aikulia nende kutumia nzia cia mikomokanile cia matuku wa kuemea kithio cha mbai ya mukamba.
Kambas are known for their music, sindio? Music ni identity ya Wakamba. Hata ukienda mahali udance unaulizangwa kwani wewe ni Mkamba, sindio? Mi hata nikienda ni dance hata waniulizangi ni Mkamba wanasema tumejua wewe ni Mkamba. Because that is our identity na our culture ya music inajulikana kila mahali. We can invest kwa hii music. Si lazima itupatie pesa. Nataka kuwa challenge leo. Sio kukompita hapa. Ukiluzu ukakae nyumbani ungojee the competition next year. Sindio? Nowadays culture is digitized. Uko na video, uko na simu, iko na kamera, sindio? Jirecord. Tuma huku mitandaoni, sindio? Usingoje ati county ndio itakupeleka mahali.
Ovamuno minister wa kaunti ya Makueni ni wawe takarano kuungamana evinde ya muongo kutetea kithio cha mukamba akitumia uneni wa Kiswahili wenguma kana mwachamila ni mtumwa ni wawe takana kithio kieli tovatiswa ta usatani.
Msiogopesho kuambiwa ati culture ni ushetani, sindio? Simuliona venye nilisimama na nyinyi? Niko ready kuambiwa chochote bora utamaduni ya Ukambani. Mbona hapa mpigi makofi? Unajua kutrend kwa mindi ya venye ni kali. But I'm ready kutrend hata kama ni nini nikiprotect culture ya Ukambani. Sababu sitaki tuishe, si ndio? Mwachamila ni mtumwa. I don't want us to be slaves in our own country. Slaves in our own county.
Alama asinda nthini wa masindano alama atuwe muthano wa munthio makethi wa makiwakilisha kaunti ya Makueni nthini wa masindano mambathi alama katuwe kaunti ni ya Taita Taveta. Minister Sonia Nzelani ni waweta kana kaunti ya Makueni ni kumatwika nthini wa masindano aya. Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Ikundi ya kisilikali ya National Democratic Institute ni yetie vamwe makundi angekivadhukanyo yevo Caritas Kitui na andikima Mauvoo kuma kauntini itano yevo Kitui, Kisumu, Busia, Kware na West Pokot na kwethe wanaiseso ya Mauvoo ndesio mamethenya itatu alama twaiwe kauntini ya Nakuru kunena ni sevata wa kunenga NTHENYA umanyiyoloa kwikonya na uthukumi wa silikali sia kaunti na kunenga na mawoni kwe silikali ila kuvange ya budget sia kiuthukumi na kutoa isia melati. Ikundi yewi inengane Mauvoo ndesio yoloa kumanya maundu ma budget sia silikali pamoja livoti sia ekimama savu ma silikali kana mwenende amanye kianda chake na utumi wa mbesa sia silikali. Onesmus Chalo ena ilivoti mbeange.
Kavindani ka serikali cia mitioko siende na kuvangia maendeleo makundi matema ki serikali mende na kukwatana no kana kunenge mwene ndivusa ya undu wale kuthukumwa ni serikali iso cia mitioko
makundi ya matongweni ya National Democratic Institute, Caritas Kitui na makundi yangi kuma kauntini ya Kware, Busia, Kisumu, West Pokot na Maukie pamwe na kuetandiki Mauvoo kuma kauntini isu pamwe kwa kauntini ya Nakuru kunenisia vatu kukuni kilomita ya kusewa kwa budget uthukumu wa serikali sia kaunti na undu mwenembi wale kukonywa mthini wa uthukumu wa serikali. Uthukumu wa serikali utogwa kwena na budget na ila yale kukonya mavata ma NMB na alawele kukonywa no kana kumi mavoni make mthini wa budget isu vala makundi ya meti andiki Mauvoo vakuvi no kana kukwata umanyi wa kumanyithia mwenembi sia kusewa kwa budget.
And my duty was to just make sure that the civil society groups that have been brought together coming from the different sectors, the media, the CSOs, civil actors, are very well equipped with capacity to interrogate the budgets, interrogate some of the policy documents or feedback from the independent offices like the Office of the Auditor General and the Office of the Control of Budget.
Watu kumanena wa serikali mbingi kulea kwa nisi uthukumu wa siku mwene ndi kumanisi na kulea kukonya mwene ndi kumia mawoni ila meo sovya budget. Veronica Mangeni na ule watu ngwe sisiso ya kulengene mavundisyo yulwa kusibu kwa budget utumi wa mbesa siya mwene ndi ni serikali nwa wetaka na yu mwekio yuma kundi anaandiki Mauvoo kusila mavundisyo na makwata nimeo matele siya kumanya kidiomo cha budget na kwa liula livoti siya mama sabu kumanya undu mbesa siya mwene ndi itomekite.
Objective as it was set, some of the issues that I realized that needed for us to polish were the matters and aspects, just making sure that we demystify and the civil societies get the information right in a position to communicate and articulate issues in a simplified manner. And as I can say, the 3-day has been rigorous and hectic, but it is a good team that they are leaving, a very well-equipped team. And I'm anticipating that there's going to be change in the society where they are going to implement the same.
Peter Saitoti munini wa director wa Caritas Kitui na wawetakana wavundisiani mewetethese vanene kunenge mwenendi umanyua undu ilovya siyosi utomekani serikali bumuna kuikia watanenzi ya kiudhukomi na ukava bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui na kana kulunga utumi wa mbesa siya mwenendi nikenda itomeke kukianana na budget.
Liko ambaye tunanuia kuyapata kwa siku ya kesho na siku zijazo katika Kitui County. Moja ni kwamba tunataka tuweze kwenda kuhamasisha uadilifu mzuri na utumiaji mzuri wa fedha ya umma.
Ikundi ya NDN thithukuma na kaunti tatu iwala Kitui, Busia na Kisumu vala yongele kaunti ingi wala Kware na West Pokot. West Pokot ni mwa kaunti la siditwe tietwe kiitina kimaendeleo vanthe ya Kenya walonga mimama kundi kuma kaunti ni isuma weta mavundusi ane mayo matelesia kumanithia NMB kila serikali ya ile kumeka.
West Pokot has a mirage of issues that affect us when it comes to issues around advocacy, governance and accountability. And the first one, as I said, is there is little awareness on some of these processes, little awareness on some of these key documents that we can use as citizens to hold our governments into account. The second thing is that there is very little cooperation and partnership or working relationship between the civil society organizations with the county assembly on issues around oversight and issues around pushing for the same agenda to hold the executive accountable. So some of the few challenges that we feel comes handy in ensuring that there is effective service delivery.
Tilivote Mningwa Mauvoo Tongo TV Nito Onesmus Chalo.
Aseni makulu masovesia nasiona muno ibindani maskulu mavingete kwa ilungu yasa no kanasi ana isi kalike mituo ni methoku ya utume iwanda wasia kumila kana mituo ingendhoku utawo mwene Father Anthony Moteo mungami wa kanisa wa Catholic wa mwithi museo musieni wa mwinge bala waweta kanisa utawena mubango wa kwekethia kanasi ana nesi akunena maundu ala mailete no kana kwekethia nesi asoveka undu vailete Lina Musangi ena ilivoti mbeange.
Onina kavindani kale kumanite na siana sia Sunday School kuma parish wa Muliluni. Father Anthony Moteo ni waweta vena vata wasiano kuwe wana kusiswa nesa na mono vindani maskulu mavingi tuwe vinda yesa.
Kutu kite panona mo palama kana mono maadhauka ndani twamanya nge motao. Ni mavingi skulu yumeku umusi na ni jukumu ya itu kanisa pamoja na asili tedianisia wana witu kumayanesa na kumanenga uthuthio kwithia measio na kutia maundu ala wananga maisha mo me musi bandu ba mi bakubi ili na kuno sio me busy maika maundu ma musi maundu ma kanisani maundu langi ma community kuthukuma na indi kwithia mena maumba ndano ma kanisani ma nengo motao mundu kwina nandu mingi kwina mathina ma mandu ma ndawa dasia kwananga na situ dawasia kulevya na kuyata miraa kuthi katika mikalo itemesio kuutonia wala wasio kumaite ni kanisani
utauni ukukulia sema ikithekana ciana ni cia kunona maundu matonya kumaka nduani undu umwe na kanisani
methe membisi methe methukuma kanisani misini nduani na kwanza Yesu kwa seubia mwana museo mwana mulungalu kilikoni mundu mamwikio mundu alangi moko nyakana ila kakiana na kuuni na witu tumatethesie na kumatania na kumata undu tinetwethia wana thome museo o school singitwe ni kanisani na nibu musimusie wibo mwana akunduka mweke aivalo kwenda monengo tao wana ni masome ala mo school mande kusoma meka high school ni bingi we mebingana mabuku
otauni waweta kanisa uwi nevango ya kwitha na masindano ma mathau ma ciana ii semina kati wa Mauvoo ndisi wange ma ciana ii wala makwitha matonya kwikone na mono kithekana maina atindamana
nitubangite kwitha na masemina maingi mwini huu ukita wa 11 na wa Disemba pia twina mathau ma mebila ila ikethe wa kuya school munene wa mwingi TTC pala ndo mamwika makaya mebila wa Mauvoo bila wa moko netball handball na mathau walangi otawuni tubangite kwitha twina latwita marali ma muthemba ma majuthi maitu kubange na walks wina mo walk manengete latwita retreat kana recollection that is mboya meba mwe na indi thukuma wia ula wikanisani wese makanisa maitu nondo tau Christmas ndivasa na wasomethia maetethesia ondu asu ma kwailia isiwa ya Yesu Kristo mwokozi waitu.
Kuripoti ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma mwingi kaunti ni Kitui ni Lina Musangi.
Na ini mwenda musesi wa mutongo isi ungamete saa inya na ntateka muonza bawi vangu eki yangithi ondheni wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo na poeti ya Mauvoo na kesha rondinda kwanzia ya meko na kwa nita wa Faith Ndenya ikiwa na vio kiseo.